Hey, I'm Keila Fowler. Welcome to 85 Beauty, our makeup education company where we teach you how to make makeup feel easy and also make you feel confident and beautiful because you already are. So one of the things that I get asked often is what's the difference between signing up for the academy or doing a makeup lesson with me and just learning from YouTube, because you can learn from YouTube for free. And that's true. And here I am on YouTube filming a video myself. So YouTube is absolutely a way that you can connect with each other and get some really helpful information. However, what's missing is two things that I'm going to talk about that are super important that you keep in mind when you're trying to learn makeup that's going to work for you. The first thing that you need to remember is that when it comes to going on YouTube to find what you're looking for, you have to be super specific. YouTube videos are not created in a comprehensive way to teach you based on your own needs. It is to work with the algorithm. It is to address what people are asking for in terms of their audience. So what's happening is people are creating videos because lots of people are talking about bronzer. So they're going to do a video on bronzer and how to have that glowing skin, which, by the way, if you're talking about bronzer, you're not really looking for glowing skin. You're looking for like structured, warm, sun-kissed skin. Those are two separate things. You don't necessarily know that. So you type in glowing skin and you end up getting videos for bronzer, when what you really need videos for are probably concealer, highlighter, and foundation that has a dewier finish. These are the things that I teach my clients. I help educate them on knowing exactly what to look for and ask for so that you get the results that are actually going to be helpful.
For example, the Academy is my online makeup school for teens where I teach teens how to use makeup in a way that is going to be creative and fun and really allow them to express their creativity and boost their confidence. And then we have Makeup Tune-Up, which is the perfect opportunity for those of us adults who have been using makeup for a while but just feel in a rut, need a refresh, and are ready to step into this next phase of how we want to best express ourselves and look our most beautiful.
So what happens is that you spend a lot of time searching on YouTube. You probably watch the first 20 seconds, 2 minutes or so of a video to figure out, is this really what I'm looking for or not? Is this really going to answer my question and help me or not? Let's say, for example, you want to learn how to do a liquid cat eye. So you type in, let's say, black liquid liner or cat eye makeup. You get a lot of results, and then you have to go through and figure out, okay, let me watch this one. Oh, that's not the same liner that I used. Does that matter? And then you go to another video and you watch that one. You're like, oh, they used a pencil, but I'm using a liquid. I don't know how to do that. And then you watch another one and you're like, they talk way too fast. I'm confused. And you watch another one and maybe they talk way too slow and you're not quite sure you understand what they're saying. You have questions, as you should when you're learning. You're going to have questions. You're going to need some conversation. You need to discuss things so that you can make sure that you're understanding what the teacher is saying and that they are understanding what you're saying when you talk about why it's difficult for you. That doesn't exist on YouTube. You can, of course, go through tons of videos for free and try to find something that's going to meet your needs. But again, wasting time, and you can't get time back. Working with 85 Beauty, you're going to be working with me specifically. So you know exactly who you're talking to, and you're actually talking to someone. So this isn't me just pumping out videos and sending them your way and you hoping for the best and doing it on your own. This is having guided practice, actually getting to talk to somebody when you're confused, ask your questions, pinpoint and adjust in the moment so that you have a higher rate of success, so that you feel confident and really good about the process of getting better at makeup so that you can feel and look as beautiful as you want to. I am happy to sign you up for the right class or program that is going to help meet your needs and make you feel incredible.
So you can come on over to 85beauty.com, go on up to our programs. And if you are looking for the Academy, you want to click for teens. And if you are looking for makeup tune-up, you're going to click for adults. So if you click for teens, you will find the Academy page here ready for you. And if you are an adult, you're going to click for adults and you're going to find makeup tune-up.
Send me your questions. Email me at hello@85beauty.com, and I am really excited to get to talk to you and get you on a path to feeling awesome about your makeup journey. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.